sound pollution matter, the High Court has issued notices to 5 parties who are supposed to have received maximum complaints of violation of the standard of noise. They have been joined as parties. High Court has issued notices to them, and the Pollution Control Board is also supposed to monitor their activities. This is one thing that has happened. Secondly, as far as our proposal which we had made to the court about how to monitor, who will be the supervising authority, which numbers are to be contacted, that note has been accepted by the High Court, and it has been made an order of the court. So that is, as of now, that is the order of the High Court. And what is suggested is now there are 3 numbers which are given basically. If any violation is reported, the citizens can contact at these 3 numbers, and if action is not taken, then the STPO will come in picture. He will immediately take action.